Hey, welcome and thank you for your interest. The fact that you're here tells me that you have tried or are currently trying to succeed. And you've probably gone through the typical steps, right? Make the list of family and friends and trying social media to attract people. But let's be honest, these methods typically do not work. And I understand your pain because I've been there too. However, I know you might be skeptical. I'm sure you are skeptical, but if you're willing to just invest 10 minutes of your time, you'll see that this opportunity is unlike anything you've ever seen before. And here's why it's different. Number one, this opportunity has a single downline, a single power line. And when I say a single downline, I don't mean there's a single one for me and a single one for you, a separate downline for everyone. No, I mean a single downline for the entire company. You're right? So that means anyone who joins that goes into that single downline. And so what does that mean to you? Well, it means that everyone who joins after you, no matter who invites them, will be placed under you. Don't believe it? Take a look at this screenshot showing just 24 hours after I joined, and I had 342 people below me. Now you might be wondering, how does that make me money? Well, I'm glad you asked. Once you have 1,000 people below you, you start earning money from your downline. And that's one income stream. And that should take about three or 4 days. But that's not all. There's another amazing thing about this opportunity is that you only pay a one-time $50 membership fee. Not $50 a month, just $50 one time. And what do you get for that? Well, you get put into the power line, which is going to start making you money, as I already said. In addition to that, you'll receive 20 highly discounted travel vouchers that you can give away to your family and friends or use as incentives for your existing businesses, right? Hey, anyone that comes along and joins the meeting tonight, I'm giving away a travel voucher. So, or you can use them for yourself to enjoy a wonderful high value vacation at a very cheap price. Now, every time one of these travel certificates is activated, you earn $3. So let's do the maths. $3 times 20 vouchers is $60 from your original $50 investment. Now, there's a lot more to this opportunity than that, but for the sake of simplicity and brevity, I'm going to keep it short. So if you're still with me, and if you believe, you can see that there's no way you won't be able to make money from this. If you're an action taker and an opportunist, click the button below, provide your details, and I'll give you all the information you need. Plus, I'm here for you every step of the journey, from answering any questions you might have, guiding you through the sign-up process, showing you how to market this. For those of you who hunger for more rapid growth, like I said, you don't have to do anything, just sitting there. But if you're an action taker, it's going to go even more wild. So enter your details below and I'll see you on the inside. This is Coach Kev. Thanks for watching. All right. Thanks, guys. Cheers.